Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to ask you, what do you think is too much silver? Now for me, I've watched a number of videos on YouTube over the last couple of years or so when I first got interested in stacking, and a lot of people put a different number of ounces on this question. So for me personally, I think that it shouldn't be measured in ounces. I think everyone's situation is very, very different. And I think you should kind of look at your own financial situation, that you're not in a situation where you've over invested in precious metals. Because as I've said in previous videos, precious metals, they can be very liquid if you're willing to take a loss. But if you want to actually make profit in the long run, you've got to be willing to hold till the right price. Now, I've always said that the best way of investing is looking at how much spare cash you've got and then taking 50% of that and investing. Some people recommend higher. The reason I go for 50% is it's nice to have some money in the bank if the washing machine breaks or the car breaks down. If you put all of your money into precious metals into any investment and you overinvest and then something goes wrong, the boiler breaks or something like that, then you're forced to sell and you don't want to be in that situation. So that's why I think you should look at how much is too much on your personal situation. Too much is if you've got too much of your spare cash locked up into precious metals. You need to make sure you've got that spare cash, that buffer for if things go wrong in life, as they do. That's just life. You never want to have to be forced to sell. So let me know your opinion on that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos and I hope you have a nice day.